Good morning, class. I hope all are fine. Today we are going to start our chapter number 2, additions. In previous class, I hope you have learned about additions. So, chapter 2, additions, today's date 7 July 2021. What is the addition? The addition is taking two or more numbers and adding them together. That is, it is the total sum of two or more numbers. एडिशन इज टेकिंग टू और मोर नंबर्स. एडिशन में हम क्या करते हैं, टू और मोर नंबर्स को लेते हैं, उनको ऐड करते हैं, देन वी गेट सम एंड इट इज़ द टोटल सम ऑफ टू और मोर नंबर्स. और वो क्या होता है, टोटल होता है टू और सबसे मोर नंबर्स का टोटल होता है, सम होता है. सो in this chapter we will learn about addends and sums, regrouping, carrying over. Okay, so let's start. Addition. The addition is taking two or more numbers and adding them together. That is, it is the total sum of two or more numbers. Okay, in this chapter we will learn about addends and sum. What is the addends? Addends means when we arrange two numbers, means 24 and 5. So 4 and 5 is addends and 26 and 22. So what it addends? Addends means 2 और 2. 2 is 2 क्या है, addends से means क्या है, ये ऐड करने वाले नंबर से 2 और 2 से ज़्यादा नंबर से इनको क्या करेंगे, हम ऐड करेंगे. एंड व्हेन वी add addends we get sum. We get 29 and we get 48. So this is sum. ओके, सो अडेंड्स एंड सम जो हमारा आंसर होगा वो क्या होगा, हमारा सम होगा. और जिन टू नंबर्स को हम ऐड करेंगे वो क्या होंगे, हमारे अडेंड्स होंगे. ओके, नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज ऑर्डर ऑफ अडेंड्स. अब ऑर्डर क्या होता है अडेंड्स का, किस ऑर्डर में होते हैं अडेंड्स. मीन्स टेंस वंस, 2 tens and 6 ones means 26, 5 tens and 2 ones means 52. When we add 26 and 52 we get 78. So this is the first order. In first order we are adding two numbers 26 and 52. In second order we add 52 plus 26. मीन्स हमने यहाँ पर क्या किया, नंबर्स को चेंज कर दिया. हमने यहाँ पर 26 पहले लिखा था, फिर यहाँ पर हमने बाद में लिख दिया. बट वी गेट सेम सम फ्रॉम two numbers, we get same sum 78. So this is the order of addends. This is the order of addends. Next is addition of three numbers. Now here is the two step of addition of three numbers. We can add it directly. We can add direct 71, 14 and 13. We can add direct and we can use this step. First we add two numbers 71 and 14, we get 85. Then we add 13 in 85. 85 में हम 13 को क्या करेंगे, फिर प्लस कर देंगे. So we have two steps. Now we have to use simple step. We add directly 71, 14 and 13. हम क्या करेंगे, तीनों को डायरेक्ट ऐड कर देंगे. Then next topic is regrouping of numbers. Then we have to learn about how to do regroup of numbers. These are 12 flowers and we can arrange. First and foremost we have to know about regrouping. What meaning of regrouping? Regrouping means rearranging the numbers to make addition. Regrouping का मतलब क्या होता है, numbers को arrange करना, किस लिए, additions को बनाने के लिए. So these are the 12 flowers. We can arrange 10 flowers plus 2 flowers, 1 10 or 2 ones. We can write 12 ones. We can write 12 ones, 1 10 plus 2 ones means 1 10 or 2 ones means 12 ones. So what is the meaning of regrouping? Regrouping means rearranging the numbers to make addition. Regrouping का मतलब क्या होता है, numbers को हम क्या करते हैं, अरेंज करने के लिए, addition को अरेंज करने के लिए हम क्या करते हैं, regrouping करते हैं. Now our chapter is addition at the fruit and vegetable shop. We are on the fruit and vegetable shops. Add the following. Now we have to add 32 apples and 45 apples. We have to add 32 apples and 45 apples. First we will start from one side. Okay, this is the one side and this is the 10 side. So 3 tens and 2 ones and 4 tens and 5 ones. We have to add 2 ones and 5 ones. So we will get the sum 7 and 3 and 4 7. So there are 77 apples on the shop. 42 oranges plus 25 oranges. This is the orange. Okay, so we will get 2 and 5, 7 and 4 and 2 6. We forward counting. After 2 we forward 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, after 2 we forward 5 counting. After 4 we forward 2 counting. 5 6, we get 6, the sum of 67. Potatoes and mangoes I am leaving for you. You have to do in your homework. This is your homework. Okay, addends and sum. Okay, and order of addends. Now we will learn about addends and sum and order of addends. Okay, we are going on our exercise number 2.1. Exercise 2.1. Add the following. Now we have to add 5 tens and 6 ones and 2 tens and 3 ones. We can add in our in this place. Okay, so first A, we have 5 tens. First and all we will write tens of ones. Okay, we have 5 tens, means we have to write 5 in tens place, and 6 ones we have to write 6 in ones place. 2 tens and 3 ones. So we get we have to forward counting after 6. 3 counting we have to forward. Okay, 7 8 9. So we get 9 ones, and after 5 6 7 we get 7 10. So 79, we get the sum of 79. So number A, we get 5 tens and 6 ones and 2 tens and 3 ones, we get 79. B and C I am leaving for you. Okay, arrange the given addends in columns and find their sum. We have to arrange this addends in column and we have to find the sum. So 63. First and all we will fill 3 in ones place and 6 we will fill in tens place. 35, 5 we will fill in 1 place and 3 we will put in tens place. So 5 and 3. After 3 we have to forward 5 countings. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We get 8 ones. After 6, 7, 8, 9. We get 9. So we get the sum 98. I am leaving B for you. Filling the blanks. We have to fill the blanks. 45 plus 32 is equal blank tens, blank ones. We have to fill these blanks. Okay, so 5 first and all we will fill we will add 5 and 2. 5 and 2 7 ones and 4 and 3 7 tens. We get 7 tens and 7 ones means 77. B I am leaving for you. C I am doing 34 plus 56 is equal 56 plus 34 means 34 plus 56. This is the order of addends. We can add 34 plus 56 equal we can plus 56 plus 34. This is the order of addends. D I am leaving for you. Next is addition of 3 numbers. Exercise 2.2. Okay, fill in the blanks. We have to fill the blanks. We have 3 numbers of addition. 50 plus 12 plus 16. We have to plus 50 plus 12 plus 16. First we will write last number 0, 2 and 6. 6 and 2 8 and 0 8. So we will fill in ones place 8 and 1 2 2 and 5. After 2 3 4 5 6 7. We get 7 tens. 7 tens or 8 ones. B, C and D I am leaving for you. You have to fill. Find the sum. We will do in our notebook. Arrange the given addends in column and find their sum. We have to arrange the addends and in column, and we have to find the sum. We have 12 plus 52 plus 32. So first we will fill. We have 12 plus 52 plus 32. So first two numbers we will take, 12 and 52. We will plus 2 and 2 4, 5 and 1 6. We get 64. 64 we will write in second column, and last number 32 we will write in this column. 4 and 2 6, 6 and 3 9. So we get 96. Our answer is 96. This is the method of addition of three numbers. This one I am leaving for you. This is you have to do. Next is exercise 2.3. Fill in the blanks. We have 4 tens plus 18 ones is equal 4 tens plus blank 10 plus blank ones. We have to fill the tens and ones. So we have 4 tens and 18 ones. So 18 ones को हम कैसे regroup कर सकते हैं? We can write 1 10 and 8 ones. So we will get 4 10 and 1 10 is equal 5 10 and 8 ones. 58. 4 tens and 18. 4 tens means 40 plus 18 ones is equal 58. We will get 58. Second is I am leaving for you. Okay. Third is 3 tens plus 26 ones. Now 3 tens is equal 3 tens plus dash tens plus dash ones is equal dash tens plus dash ones. 3 tens means 3 tens. Now we have to regroup 26 ones. 26 ones means 2 tens and 6 ones. 2 tens means 20 plus 6 ones 26. 3 tens and 2 tens, 5 tens and 6 ones. So we get 56. D and E I am leaving for you. You have to do. Write in tens and ones and find the numbers. We have to write tens and ones and we have to find the numbers. 2 tens plus 18 ones. 18 ones we have to regroup 18 ones. Okay. 2 tens means 20. Okay. 2 tens means 20 and 10. 3 tens and 8 ones. So we get 38. We get number 38. 2 tens means 20 plus 18 ones is equal 38. Okay. B, C and D I am leaving for you. You have to do for your practice.